Today's theme is pink. We're wearing pink today. Pink, 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 pink. And I got my nose piercing in it, and I got my earrings, and yeah.
I wanna feel it down. I wanna do perfect. I wanna do retail perfect. Fly uptown and feel it down. I wanna do retail perfect. Be with the gang all week. I need some female energy. Suck my soul. I lost my breath. She got me breathing heavily. Toxic relationship, my queen, but me and the T got chemistry. Told her that I'm a Gemini, now she on Google checking the compatibility. She wanna see if I got the agility. She wanna see if I got the ability. I went round 3, she went round 4, she killing me. ADHD, my trigger finger fidget. My trigger finger fidget. I feel like I need amphetamine. We had the party ton of the MDMA and ketamine. My bro get a box and step on the gang, make money off rock Led Zeppelin. One call away from a tent and take one call and they get to step. The band all hostile, but if it weren't for the trap house, I'll be put down. Of course, I would've made an M1 call last year if it weren't for the...
Hey guys, so I wanted to give you a tutorial on how I smell. Because I smell so good personally, I think so. So I just want to do this in the middle of the video to stretch it, because I'm like, this video is going to be bare short. So I'm just like, this video is going to be really short. So I was just like, how can I stretch the video? Like, so this how. Okay, so first things first, I wear lotion. I think lotion is the most important. The lotion that I use all the time, I got cold. The lotion I use all the time is Carrot. It's fresh. It's just like just came out the shower. It'll give you a nice base scent. It smells so good. Then after I use a perfume, I have used this. Currently, I've just been using this for the past month. It is a Clean Comfort deodorant. It's male. Or sometimes I use clay. You know the clay deodorants, like as a roll-on. You will not sweat if you use that. And then this is my signature scent. I wear it to school. I wear it on the daily. It's called Tommy Girl. Or I mostly use Lovely, but I left that in the UK. And this is the closest scent to it. This is my new scent that I got. Compliments. It smells so good. It's like a mix of fresh. I prefer to smell fresh. Just came out of the shower, and it has a bit of sweet to it. So I would say it smells really fresh with a mix of those tablet sweet. I don't know how to explain it. It's like the purple one. It's like a mix of that, and it actually smells really good. But when I go to church, yeah, and it's like a really special occasion or like something like that, I use this very sweet scent. Is my nose runny? No, it's not. By the way, I put Vaseline over here. That's if it looks like my nose is runny. And I use this, Britney Spears. I have way more in the UK, but this is what I use in Nigeria. Special occasions, this. Recently, I'm using this. On a daily, this. I hope that stretched out the video a bit, because I said 6 videos, and I was so close to changing it to 5 videos. But now I'm just like, I need to post 6. I need to keep my word. Because everyone commented 6 videos is a win. If you don't understand what I'm saying, you have to watch my previous video, because you'll be so confused. If you watch my previous video, you won't be confused. I cut all my hair off. Psych. Okay, we're not going to talk about the hair, but I'm going to do my nails tomorrow, and it's going to be my glow up video. So if I have nails in the middle of the video, just know it's because I'm doing another video glowing up for my birthday. My birthday's in 2 days, almost 1 day now. But yeah, that's my white eye. Great.
In it back and forth to you in your casket, babe. Girl, you on my best side. Cause you from the west side. I just wanna know.
Okay guys, so we are going out today to go eat out in the night. I don't eat this late, but we're gonna eat out, and yeah.
Don't you sugarcoat. Say it all if you want.
Okay.
Just tell me like it is. Pretty little fear. Music to my ear. Say it loud, say it proud. 20 more. We open door, hit the couch, then the floor. I cut it up like a sizzle, love galore. She never bored, there's so much shit we can do.
We are going to church. Half of the day. Yeah, and then we're going somewhere else after. We're going to church. Right now I'm preparing vegetables. Here we go.
I told you.
Just eating a burger, Mo. Black out her there. BTS brings joy, bro. I got the super circle. I'm currently packing all my clothes since we're leaving tomorrow morning.
Maybe it's the love, the drugs, the weed, the pussy. Maybe it's all the above. Maybe I don't need a hug. Maybe I'm just fucked up. Maybe it's the love, the drugs, the weed, the pussy. Maybe it's all the above. Maybe I don't need a hug. Maybe I'm just fucked up. I wanna have more patience, but you're so territorial. I can't even pick it cause you're watching my story though. I got one you seen and I got some you don't need to know. I done gave more dick.
Today's our last day, so I wanted to wear this outfit. Because why not?
Wait for you, for you. I will wait for you. I will wait for you. Saying no, hey.
Right now, we are actually back from home. We went to the market. We went to check out my mum's. Getting ahead my sister. Right now, we're at home. Just me and my dad. I'm on my balcony. How do you feel about leaving Nigeria?
I don't know. Depressing.
We're packing everything away. I'm reminding her.
I'm feeling down.
That is your
I
problem.
wanna do retail therapy. I wanna do retail therapy. Fly uptown, I'm feeling down. I wanna do retail therapy. Be with a gang all week. I need some female energy. Suck my soul, I lost my breath. She got me breathing heavily. Toxic relationship, my queen, but me and the T got chemistry. Told her that I'm a Gemini, now she on Google checking the compatibility. She wanna see if I got the agility. She wanna see if I got the ability. I went round 3, she went round 4, she killing me. ADHD, my trigger finger fidgety. My trigger finger fidgeting. I feel like I need amphetamine. We had the party ton. Of the MDMA I get. I broke that box, I step on the gang, make money off Brooklyn Center. One call away from a tent and tape, one call and they get to step. The man no hostile. But if it weren't for the trap house, I'd be put down. Of course, I would've made an M-mod call last year if it weren't for the lockdown. They wanna fuck now, we got the top down. Walk out, when we had a beat down Honda. Shout out FK, I had no sponsor. Most of my team from the West, no thunder. Fly up town, I'm feeling down. I wanna do retail therapy. Be with a gang all week. I need some female.
Currently we are unwrapping. I've been unwrapping, just sorting out stuff. We arrived. Unwrapping, you mean unpacking, yeah. So this is also
I
so
can't lift
I'll
up
put in my cupboard. Alright, boom. I'm gonna end the vlog right here. Don't wanna go to school tomorrow, bro, but I have to end the vlog right here. Nigeria is over. No more Nigeria. And thank God for an amazing flight.